Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about the stress management. Now coming to stress management, but basically what is stress? Stress is a feeling of emotional or physical tension. It can come from any event or thought that makes one feel frustrated, angry, or even nervous. We all have stresses and worries and anxieties in our life. There are many ways one can go about managing the stress level. One of the most important things with managing stress is being able to identify all the negative stress in one's life. Managing your reaction is key to coping. What causes stress? The different causes are, it may be chronic illness or injury. It may come from taking care of elderly or sick members in the family, or any traumatic event like violence against your loved one or yourself, natural disaster, theft, rape, etc. One should stop worrying. The more one worries about things, work, schools, family crisis, one will stress more and cause more mental and physical disaster. Now, basically, what are the signs of stresses? One is stressed up. So how do we know that one is stressed up? So the different signs are the emotional symptoms. That is, you may find someone depressed or unhappy. It may be anger, moodiness, anxiety, agitation, isolation, loneliness, irritability, or and other mental or emotional health problem. Whereas the physical symptoms of stress are, you do not get proper sleep, chest pain, rapid heartbeat, frequent cold and infection, upset stomach, constipation, headache, low energy, etc., etc. It has been medically proved that stress is a national one killer, and it contributes to, like as we discussed, it contributes to heart diseases, depression, irritability, high blood pressure, stroke, overeating, asthma, breathing problem, increased smoking, fatigue, insomnia, skin disease, and so on. So there are many such medical cases are there. Now coming to the back to the second. Now the strategies for managing stress. Now, how do we manage this? So the different strategies are, give stress a name. That means it is essential to first recognize and name what one is experiencing. Then you talk about it. And once you recognize that stress, you better be able to accomplish the second step, that is, just ignore it. Do not listen to it. By giving name to it, we are able to address the problem. Then distinguish between productive and unproductive worry. That is, productive worry means when the problem is acute and solvable, and you quickly move from the problem to problem solving. In contrast, unproductive worry is when the problem is far away, it is unsolvable, and we are spinning with it. Understand the difference between possibility versus probability. Now, distinguish whether your concern is a possibility or a probability. If the concern is a possibility, then it should not be dwelled upon. In contrast, if a concern is probability, then the person should take heed. If we live our life based on possibility, anything can be possible. But if we choose to live one's life based on probability, it will be better for a fuller and a more enjoyable life. Meditation and the power of breath. People who worry are often not living in the present. Instead, they are living in their negative, what if, about the future. Meditation teaches people to stay present, accept their feelings, and be at peace. Don't avoid, instead expose. When people worry, their natural tendency is to avoid. For example, someone is scared of swimming, so he will not go near the swimming pool. Or someone is scared of tall buildings, that is height phobia. He will not go to the top. And we know this act of avoidance reinforces in the brain that the feared object is scary. And the brain looks at the avoidance and concludes that swimming is scary or that tall buildings are bad. The only real way to change is to expose to the feared stimuli gradually. So now, if we go for how to manage the stress or to reduce the stress, so there are various techniques. So it can be relaxation technique, that is relax will reduce the stress. One simple way to relax is to choose a word or a phrase which has a positive meaning to you. It can be the word like peace, calm, etc. Or a phrase or a mantra like I deserve calm in my life. So focus on these chosen word or phrase and you will find yourself becoming less tensed. And again, if it comes back, then simply and silently keep on repeating that word or phrase. Don't worry if you find it difficult to relax in the beginning, because relaxation is a skill and that needs to be learned and it will improve with practice. Now spend time with friends and families. Social support from friends and families can help to get through stressful situations. Laugh. Find humor in everyday life. Spend time with funny friends. Watch TV shows, comedy shows. That helps to relieve the stress. Avoid taking alcoholic drinks because that affects your nervous system and it helps to increase your stress. Instead, take drinks like green tea, etc. Next is you take a yoga class. Yoga has become a popular method of stress and relief, and exercise among all age groups. Yoga style differs but shares a common goal to join our mind and body. Yoga does this primarily by increasing the body and the breath awareness. Practice mindfulness. It can help combat the anxiety inducing effect of negative thinking. There are several methods of increasing mindfulness, including mindfulness based cognitive therapy, mindfulness based stress reduction, yoga, medicine, and so on. Mindfulness also helps to increase the self-esteem, which in turn reduces the symptoms of anxiety and depression. One can listen to soothing music. Listening to music can have a very relaxing effect on the body. Slow paced instrumental music can reduce the relaxation response by helping to lower blood pressure and heart rate as well as stress hormones. Deep breathing. Mental stress activates the sympathetic nervous system, signaling the body to go into fight or flight mode. During this reaction, the stress hormones are released and one experiences physical symptoms like faster heartbeat, quicker breathing, and constricted blood vessels. The goal of deep breathing is to focus your awareness on your breath, making it slower and deeper. And when you breathe in deeply through your nose, your lungs fully expands and your belly rises. Now spend some time with your pets. Having a pet may help to reduce the stress and improve your mood. Interacting with pets may help release oxytocin, a brain chemical that promotes a positive mood. This helps slow the heart rate, allows us to feel more peaceful. Although stress and anxiety may arise in the workplace, even in personal life, there are many simple ways to reduce the pressure one feels. Practice mindfulness, exercise, music, etc. can all work to relieve the anxiety and they will improve the overall work-life balance as well. So, as we can see in the picture, there are various ways how one can manage the stress. Avoid stressful situation, avoid extremities, set realistic goal, manage how stress affects you, change how you see the situation, change how you react to stress, set priorities, take control of the situation, discover new relaxation technique, figure out what is most important in your life. So these are the various ways one can manage the stress. Now coming to meditation is a habitual process of training one's mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. It helps individuals sleep better, cope with some symptoms associated with mental disorder like depression and anxiety, reduce some of the psychological difficulties associated with chronic pain, and even improve some cognitive and behavioral function. Many think of it as a way to reduce stress and develop concentration. People also use the practice to develop other beneficial habits and feelings, such as positive moods and outlook, self discipline, healthy sleep patterns, and even increased pain tolerance. Now, if we see in our daily life, we are practicing simple meditation. For example, we listen to music, or we sit and daydream, or we study something, close reading, some physical activities that we are doing naturally. So, about meditation, there are thousands of meditation techniques that have been developed and has been practiced for over 5,000 years. Each specific techniques and skill can be learned. There are different types of meditation. All form of meditation can be classified into one or a combined of these four categories, that is concentrative, which is the most commonly used form. The next is the receptive, reflective, and generative. Now, concentrative meditation, it assists with focusing the mind. It is done by focusing on the breath, image, objective, or sound, that is mantra. Some mantra we enchant during the meditation. This process allows the mind to achieve clarity and awareness. Transcendental meditation is based on the Hindu tradition, is a form of concentrative meditation. Now, coming to receptive meditation, assists with becoming more fully present in the moment. This is done by being mindful and attentive to feeling, smell, our thoughts, sensation, and experiences without becoming involved in judgment, reaction, or process to the experience. This helps to gain a calmer, clear, and more non reactive state of mind. Mindfulness meditation, based on Buddhism, is a form of receptive meditation. Now, reflective meditation, it assists with investigating an idea in a systematic way. It uses the disciplined thinking and analysis to reflect upon a compelling question, challenge, idea, or project. It reflects on a verse or a phase or inspiring ideas and brings wisdom and insight into all aspects of our life. And then is the generative meditation, assists in consciously cultivating and strengthening the specific qualities like love, courage, patience, compassion, appreciation, gratitude, humility, etc. This form of meditation invites us to actively nurture these strengths of character by thinking, speaking, and acting as though the quality is already fully present and alive within us. Now, basic how to meditate. It's really simple. Find a quiet area, sit cross-legged, your back straight, palm facing up, resting on knees or down in a comfortable position. Then you choose a thought process and then expand it. There are different type of meditation thought process. That is breathing, meditation, concentration on relaxing on the body, concentration on the rhythm of your breathing, counting technique applied. Consensual meditation. That is concentration on a philosophical concept. Allow your mind to wander and expand. Physical meditation. Concentration on physical actions. Reaction to opponent's actions. Clear mind meditation. It is difficult yet it is effective. That is, one has to clear one's mind completely. Concentrate on keeping your mind totally blank. That is, remove all the thoughts coming into one's mind. Awareness meditation. Observe all things in your surrounding and be in tune with all of your senses to clear your mind of thoughts. Total awareness of the moment. Object meditation. Concentration on one point of vision. Total awareness of that point. Mantra meditation. That is repetition of word, phrase, hymns or prayer to clear the mind and provide a vessel to concentrate on. It is commonly found in the Buddhism, Hinduism and Christianity. Meditation is something everyone can do to improve their mental and emotional health. Now, benefits of meditation, how does it helps or it benefits? So, one, it reduces stress. Stress reduction is one of the most common reasons why people go for meditation. Stress can disrupt sleep, promote depression and anxiety. It increases the blood pressure and contributes to fatigue and cloud thinking or cloudy thinking. That is, your thinking is not clear. Researchers have shown that meditation may also improve symptoms of stress-related condition like post-traumatic stress disorder, etc. Control anxiety. Less stress leads to less anxiety. It reduces the symptoms of anxiety disorder like phobia, social anxiety, paranoid thoughts, obsessive compulsive disorder, panic attack, etc. A variety of different type of meditation strategy may reduce these anxiety levels. For example, yoga has been shown to help people reduce anxiety. This is likely due to the benefit from both meditative practice and physical activity. Meditation may also help control job-related anxiety in high-pressure work environment. Meditation promotes emotional health. Some form of meditation can also lead to an improved self-image and more positive outlook on life. Meditation is found to decrease depression. Those who meditate showed measurable changes in activities in area related to positive thinking and optimism. It enhances self-awareness. Some form of meditation may help to develop a stronger understanding of yourself, helping one to grow into your best self and how you relate to those around you. One gains greater awareness of one's thought habit. One can steer them towards more constructive patterns. A mindful meditation program experiences reduced feeling of loneliness also. Meditation lengthens the attention span. Focused attention meditation is like weightlifting for your attention span. It helps to increase the strength and endurance of your attention. It improves the participants' ability to reorient and maintain their attention. Human resource workers who regularly practiced mindfulness meditation stayed focused on a task for a longer time and also remembered the details of their task better than their peer who did not practice meditation. Meditation may even reverse pattern in the brain that contributes to mind wandering, worrying, and poor attention. A little less 4 days meditation is enough to increase the attention span. Meditation may reduce the age-related memory loss. Improvement in attention and clarity of thinking may also keep one's mind young. Kirtan Kriya is a method of meditation that combines a mantra or chant with repetitive motion of the finger to focus thoughts. It improved the participants' ability to perform memory tasks of age-related memory loss. It is found that multiple meditation styles increases attention, memory, and mental quickness in older volunteers. In addition to fighting the normal age-related memory loss, meditation can at least partially improve memory in patients with dementia. It also helps to control the stress and improves coping in those caring for family members with dementia. It can generate kindness. The mental discipline can be developed through meditation, may help one to it increases to increase positive feeling and action towards oneself and also increases people's compassion towards themselves and others. Metta, a type of meditation also known as loving kindness meditation, brings and develops kind thoughts and feelings towards oneself. Through practice, people learn to extend their kindness and forgiveness externally, first to friends, then to acquaintances, and ultimately to the enemies also. The more effort people put into metta meditation, the more positive feeling they experience. Metta meditation helps to improve the social anxiety, reduce marriage conflict, and also helps in anger management. Meditation also helps to fight addiction. It helps to break dependency by increasing your self-control and awareness of trigger for addictive behavior. Meditation may help people learn to redirect their attention, increase their willpower, and control their emotion and impulses, and increase their understanding of the causes behind their addictive behavior. Get better at controlling their carving and carving related stress. Meditation may also help to control food carving, lose weight, and redirect other unwanted habits. The ninth point is it improves sleep. A variety of meditation technique also helps to control or redirect the racing or runaway thoughts that often lead to insomnia. It can help relax one's body, releasing tension and placing one in a peaceful state in which one is more likely to fall asleep. Meditation helps to control the pain. The perception of pain is connected to the state of mind, and it can be elevated in stressful conditions. When one is stressed, the pain is elevated. So meditation can diminish this perception of pain in the brain. The meditating patients showed increased activity in the brain and reported less sensitivity to pain. Study of meditation in patients with terminal diseases found that meditation helped mitigate chronic pain at the end of life, and it helped showed that it had increased the ability to cope with pain and even experienced reduced sensation of pain. Coming to the 11th point, it can decrease the blood pressure. Meditation also improves the physical health by reducing the strain on the heart. Over time, high blood pressure makes the heart work harder to pump blood, which can lead to poor heart function. High pressure also contributes to different types of problems with the arteries, which can lead to heart attack and strokes. When one meditates by concentrating on a silent mantra, a repeated non-vocalized word, it helps to reduce the blood pressure by about 5 points on an average. In part, meditation appears to control blood pressure by relaxing the nerve signal that coordinate heart function, tension in blood vessels, and the fight or the flight response that increases alertness in stressful situations. And the last point is one can meditate anywhere, and that is the best thing. People practice many different forms of meditation, and one of the most which it doesn't require specialized equipment or space. It can be practiced just a few minutes but daily. If one wants to start meditating, try choosing a form of meditation that is based on what you want to get out of. Means that is, your stress is for what reason. So accordingly, you have to choose the type of meditation. There are two major styles of meditation. One is the focused attention meditation. That is, it concentrates attention on a single object, thought, sound, or visualism. It emphasizes ridding your mind of attention and distraction. Meditation may focus on breathing, a mantra, or a calm sound. That focus can be on anything. And the second style is the open monitoring meditation. This encourages broadened awareness of all aspects of your environment. A train of thought and sense of self. It may include becoming aware of thought, feelings, or impulses that one might normally try to suppress. So, these are the ways, some of the ways by which we can meditate and just reduce the stress. Thank you.